In this video, I would like to talk about common law versus matrimonial house. What are the key differentiations you should understand before you're buying a property in Ontario and how the Ontario law treat both differently. First, marriage. Obviously, it's a legal binding contract or legal binding relationship in the eyes of government. Whereas common law, you usually have to live 3 years or more or can have a child out of long-term relationship. But they are not treated equally in the eyes of Ontario. For example, who gets the house when there's a breakup in the relationship? It's easier in the case of married couple because there any increase in the property value is generally shared under Ontario's property equalization rules. In case of common law, there is no automatic right to your partner's property if your name is not on the title. Third, whose name is on the title of the property matters a lot. For a common law couple, the home usually belongs to the person whose name is on the title, and if you're living with the partner and your name is not on the title, you have much less legal protections. 4. Can your partner sell a house? In case of matrimonial house, even if the wife's or the husband's name is not on the title, they can't sell the house, they can't refinance the mortgage of matrimonial house. Whereas in the case of common law, the owner on the title may be able to sell without other partners' permission. So that is very important differentiation. Fifth point, first time home buyer benefits. So if your spouse or common law partner have a home ownership history from the past, it might affect eligibility for all the first time buyer rebates or tax benefits or land transfer tax which you might get in case of first time buyers. So always check before buying and discuss with the lawyer. Sixth, how can you protect yourself with an agreement? In case of marriage couple or married couple, it's pretty easy. You can sign a prenup agreement or a marriage contract in Ontario. In case of common law, you should go to your lawyer before buying a property, and it is strongly advised you should consider a cohabitation agreement to spell out who owns what are the obligations in regards to monthly mortgage payments and maintenance of the property, and what happens when somebody sells the property. Seventh, if you paid but you're not on the title, in case of common law partner, you don't automatically get money back. In case you split with your partner, you've been paying mortgages, you've been paying utility bills, you've been cutting grass, you've been paying for landscaping and upgrading your house. In case of common law, you have to prove in the court. You may and then deserve your share after expensive and uncertain process which could be dragged for years. Eighth, final takeaway. Living together does not automatically give you the same legal rights as marriage if you're living under cohabitation or living under common law. Before buying a house, understand your rights, get a legal advice that can save you a lot of headaches and thousands of dollars later on. So if you are thinking of buying a property anywhere in Ontario, DM me, follow me for more real estate tips and pointers on my channel. Thanks for watching.